All right, I'm Jeffrey Morlott, okay, and we are excited. We're just going to get right to it. I'm Ash and Dr. Bill Williams behind the camera. We are just blown away with what happened today. It's hard to take in. And Jeffrey and I were talking about like what was the highlight of the day. And Jeffrey is like, wow.
Yeah, I went right straight to the Dubai building, the light up of it, everything, all of the marketing, understanding that we now own the 134th floor, the 154th and 51st floor offices. I mean, own those. What a feat in itself. But seeing everything and all the celebration, that just wow, that was over the top for me.
Yeah, and by the way, well, I don't think people got to grasp everything or take in everything at once because it's a lot. It's overwhelming today. I mean, with what happened with Oblast, with teaming up with the official governments in India, that's a big deal. With our legality and our logistics in Dubai, that was an operation.
Work.
It's been. Not this year, not last year. It's been on for a while. It's been under work. Okay, so this is a long journey, and we own those 2 floors. You cannot fail.
Yeah.
Whatever you sell from there is going to market like crazy. That is a hot punchline. We're in building number 1. If there's a building number 1, Air Force One and Limousine One, and that is office number 1.
And for those of you that don't know, in Dubai, that is the tallest building in the world, and we own the top floor.
Period.
So we've got the top floor to the tallest building in the world. So when we say the top,
there's
we
no
mean the top.
possibility another company would get a higher space. That's the top. Not only that, we own it. It's not like we're going to evacuate in a year or 2. It's on. That's it. We own it. So the possibilities are endless, Jeffrey. Like if you sell anything, it's marketable. The name, the brand, the Dubai buzz and pizzazz and anticipation is astonishing. So I believe that's going to make an incredible impact immediately. This is how you grab authority. I mean, you just demand it.
Do it.
Yeah.
Do it.
But I was really moved. I tried to watch it multiple times. It still touched me. You cannot avoid being emotional. And before that, what happened with the video with Oblast?
Oblast. Oh, I was teared up, and I didn't expect. You said to bring Kleenex and something. Yeah,
it's
okay.
not a joke. No,
It's not a joke. The work there,
even
touching.
We did an alert.
Yeah,
It was
absolutely.
incredible.
I don't want to keep you. I know that you're busy and God
But you're
bless you for
Jeffrey.
that.
Yeah.
And I am. But what I wanted to do is just have something where I could point to the events of today
course, yeah.
and point our YouTubers and anybody else that's out there to that and say, take your time, go look at that. You need to look at that video, and you need to understand the impact and the momentum of the enormity of what we have done, what Mr. Ash Mufareh, our CEO, has done with this and what was accomplished. We have literally launched in Dubai, and we have a footprint, and we're as real as you get. And that's what I wanted this for, just to point everybody to that, to let you know you need to become part of this because it'll change your lives.
Jeffrey, I still want to share with you. I have to tell you, there is another big building in Dubai, in the Internet City, that is also being prepared. We cannot do everything in one day. It's just so much. Like, even showing it takes time. So, what a good day. It's a big day. Why? Passive is big. And we started right at the top.
Bless you, brother.
People
Thank you.
take decades to get to the point where
Thank you.
it's a high altitude, it's refreshing, and I'm going to see you there, all right? All right, we're planning
At
a
the top.
bigger, mega international event. Could be Dubai, could be somewhere, who knows, right?
See you there.
We got another show in Singapore. We got other countries.
Beautiful.
Catch me if you can. So I enjoyed this day. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed as much we did. Yeah. Thank you so much, Jeffrey.
Thank you.
It's an honor meeting
Thank you. God bless you.
Of
Thank
course.
you.
Absolutely.
Hello again. The video that you're about to watch is a clip from the original Dubai launching webinar that we did
which was such an epic event. While watching it, please remember this building is 151 floors high. Also remember that OnPassive owns the 134th floor and the 151st floor. Also keep in mind this is the tallest building in the world. So our office at the top of that building, which we own, is the top. And what you're seeing is a complete laser light show on the entire building. This is not graphics. This was an actual event. So take a look at this. When you're done, click in the link below to learn more or to join if you'd like to.